In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10, subject math science group, unit number 7, exercise 7.2. First of all, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. First of all, let's see, that is the circle and that is the center point O. Now OA first radius and OB is the second radius. Both are radius, OA and OB. And AB, that is portion of an arc. So that is the portion of sector, that is known as a sector, which is bounded by two radii and an arc, that is known as sector. So let's see question number 9 of exercise 7.2. Find the area of sectors OPR, which is sector is given here OPR. O is the center point, so 60 degree is the central angle, and central angle of a circle, it is represented by theta. Theta is the central angle of a circle. Now OR, that is the radius, so radius equals to 6 centimeter. So you have to find out here area of sectors. So first of all we will discuss its formula. That is the formula of area of sectors, equals to 1 by 2 radius square theta. That is the formula of area of sector. So we have to apply this formula on question. So first of all you have to write the information which is given here. Radius is mentioned here. Radius equals to R equals to 6 centimeter. You have to write. Now theta equals to 60 degree. Now theta is in the form of degree. So first of all you have to convert into radian. So 60 multiplied by 1 degree. 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So you have to multiply 60 by pi by 180 radian. So you have to convert pi by 3 radian. Now theta is in radian form. Now put the value of pi here, equals to 3.143, या आप कह सकते हैं 22/7 पाई की वैल्यू आप पुट करें, डिवाइडेड बाय 3. So theta equals to 1.048 radian. Now you have to convert theta into radian. So basically you have to find the area of sector. So you have to applying here formula 1 by 2 radius square theta. Now you have to put the value 1 by 2 written as it is, and radius here 6 centimeter whole square, and theta here 1.048. Now it becomes 1 by 2 multiplied by 36 centimeter square multiplied by 1.048. 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 2 18 the 6 36. Now 18 multiplied by 1.048, so it will be equals to 18.858, and unit of measurement here used centimeter square or meter square. That is the area of sector. Let's see its second part is OP is the radius. So first of all you have to write here given information. Radius equals to R equals to 20 centimeter. Now theta is the central angle, so equals to 45 degree. Now you have to find out here area of sector here. Now first of all check that theta is in the form of degree. So first of all you have to convert into radian. So 1 degree you have to separate here. We know that 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. Whenever you have to convert degree into radian, then it will be multiplied by pi by 180. Now after simplification, put the value of pi here 3.143, या फिर आप 22/7 पुट करें. Now after simplification 45 multiplied by 3.143 and divided by 180. So theta equals to 0.79. After rounding off you have to get 0.79 radian. Now you have to write here radian, unit of measurement. Now you are going to find out here area of sector. So applying here formula area of sector, which sector OPR, equals to 1 by 2 radius square theta. Theta is the central angle of a circle. Put the value 1 by 2 written as it is, and radius here 20 centimeter whole square, and theta here 0.79. Now 1 by 2 and 20 square equals to I think 400 centimeter square multiply by 0.79. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. So 200 centimeter square multiply by 0.79. So you have to multiply by calculator. 200 multiply by 0.79. So it will be equals to 158 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये 157 भी आ सकता है, 157.1 समथिंग भी आ सकता है. ठीक है, वो भी ठीक होगा आपका ये आंसर. दैट इज़ द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. फाइंड एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर इनसाइड अ सेंट्रल एंगल ऑफ 20 डिग्री. इट मीन्स थीटा 20 डिग्री in a circle of radius 7 meter or radius equals to 7 meter. So you have to find out here area of sector. So first of all you have to write the information which is mentioned in question number 10. So first of all you have to find out here area of sector. So you have to write here question mark. Now given here is radius. Radius equals to r equals to 7 meter. Is now central angle means theta equals to here 20 degree. Now observe that theta again here in degree form. So first of all you have to convert into radian form because theta always measured in radian. So degree change into radian. How? You have to first of all separate 20 multiply by 1 degree, and you know that 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So you have to multiply here 20 multiply by pi by 180 radian. Now let's see 20 here you can cancel 0 with 0 and 2 1 the 2, 2 9 the 18. So pi by 9 radian. Put the value of pi here. Pi equals to 3.143 or 22 by 7. Now after dividing 3.143 divided by 9 you have to get here theta equals to 0.35 radian. Now you have to convert degree into radian. Now you are going to find out here area of sector. So first of all you have to write the formula of area of sector equals to 1 by 2 r square theta. Now put the value of 1 by 2 as it is. Now r here is 7 meter, write in whole square, and theta here is 0.35. Now you have to write here 1 by 2 multiply by 49 meter square and 0.35. So you have to multiply 49 by 0.35. Now you have to get here 1 by 2 multiply by 17.15 meter square. Now you have to divide by 2. So it will be equals to, so you have to divide by 2. So its answer equals to 8.55 meter square. That is the area of sector. Now I hope you have understand 7.2 exercise question number 9 A, B and question number 10. So you have to subscribe my channel and also like my videos, share my videos and click on bell icon and also click on all option so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So Allah Hafiz.